I found out something really nice, that I can take this paper clip and keep this from happening. How? I'm glad you asked. Let me show you what you can do. And one problem turnout in particular is this one right here, located at the end of my arrival departure track. Every single train will cross this at some point, and every single car has to cross this turnout. Inevitably, one car will derail when it goes over this, and so that's what I need to fix. And so I'm going to take this old turnout, and I bought a brand new one, but it didn't have a switch motor on it. And then I remembered this paperclip pack. So let me show you how it works. What you're going to need is a small diameter set of drill bits. I ordered mine off of Amazon. You need a pair of dikes, needle nose pliers, rail snippers, an X-Acto blade, and of course, a paperclip. So I'm going to get this right dead in the middle of between both of the rails there, so that's in the middle. And I've got the hole there in the middle and the hole here in the middle, so I'm going to drill a hole right here, and then I'm going to clip the paper clip to get this thing to work. So we'll set this down right here. Then you'll need to get your paper clip and hold it like so, and then snip it. And that leaves you with the U-shape and the two longer pieces. Then bend those pieces 90 degrees. And then through the holes in the bottom, on the back side, push the paper clip through the ties. And then with the needle nose pliers, bend them down, and then with your rail snippers, clip off the ends of it. Coupling on the rail cars will pass over it. Either the horn hook, if you have the older ones, or the Katy. Just make sure they can clear the edges of that. And then cut the area on the cork to make room for the paper clip underneath it so it'll slide back and forth. So I've tested the turnout and it looks like it's going to work. Then I went through and put a paper clip spring on all my other turnouts as well. So then I ran my engine around and it looks like it's running really well. And so I'm really excited because I think I have resolved my problem with my turnouts and derailments. So I'm really excited because my dad's coming into town, and I'm looking forward to running trains with him. And he and I have talked about it a little bit. He had a train set years and years ago, and he tells stories about how he shorted it out because he built it with chicken wire and his mountains and everything, and shorted the whole thing out. But he did say that running the trains is the best part. So I like the hobby with building buildings and the model cars and the roads and the trees. And I'm really looking forward to doing that, but I've got to get these trains running well. And I think using these paper clips, fixing those turnouts so the trains don't derail when they go over them, I should be able to have some good operations in that, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And if you enjoyed this, and if this paperclip hack looks like it was something that could work for you and you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, share. That'll help this thing grow, and we can build a model railroading community here around this channel on DCR Rails. And next time, I'm hoping that I can start scenery on this layout, so that's what I'm hoping my next video can be. And in the meantime, keep on keeping on, and we'll see you around.